Have you ever suddenly felt numbness in your face or confusion you just couldn't explain? If so, don't brush it off. It could be the warning sign of something serious, something life-changing. Today, we're talking about the warning signs of a stroke that seniors must never ignore. Because when it comes to strokes, time lost is brain lost. Let's start with the most well-known and perhaps the most urgent sign: sudden numbness or weakness in the face, arm, or leg, especially if it's only on one side of the body. If one side of your face droops when you try to smile, or if you can't lift both arms evenly, call for help immediately. Next is trouble speaking or understanding speech. If words start to sound slurred, or if you suddenly can't find the right words, it could mean the brain isn't getting enough oxygen. This isn't just forgetfulness, it's a medical emergency. Another key warning sign is a sudden, severe headache that comes out of nowhere, especially if it feels like the worst headache of your life. Don't wait for it to pass. A sudden, intense headache can be a sign of bleeding in the brain. Vision problems are another red flag. If you suddenly have trouble seeing in one or both eyes, blurred, double, or blacked out vision, don't assume it's just fatigue. Changes in vision could mean a stroke is already in progress. Some people experience dizziness, loss of balance, or trouble walking. If you suddenly feel off balance, stumble for no reason, or feel like the room is spinning, that could be your body trying to warn you. And here's something many people don't know. A stroke can sometimes feel like confusion or sudden memory loss. If you or someone around you seems mentally off, pay attention. Seniors often chalk it up to aging, but the brain may be in distress. Let me tell you this: strokes don't always come with pain. In fact, that's what makes them so dangerous. Many people delay getting help because they don't feel sick, just a little off. And that delay can cost you everything. So what should you do if you notice these symptoms in yourself or someone else? Use the F.A.S.T method. F, face drooping. Ask them to smile. Arm weakness. Ask them to raise both arms. S, speech difficulty. Listen for slurring or confusion. T, time to call emergency services. Don't wait. Don't hesitate. Every second matters. A stroke cuts off blood flow to the brain. The longer it goes untreated, the greater the damage. You deserve to live your life strong, steady, and in control. Knowing these signs is one way to protect yourself and your loved ones. If you found this video helpful, please share it. You might save a life just by spreading awareness. Stay safe, stay informed, and take care of each other.